Hello everyone, and meet the Godferyxin Tree Bookshelf for your stylish home or office desk setup. This artistic 3-tier rack combines natural charm with modern functionality to save valuable desktop space. Crafted from sturdy, eco-friendly wood, this bookshelf safely holds your favorite novels, magazines, and music CDs. The stable structure accommodates up to 14 books while maintaining a compact and very secure footprint. Use this unique piece to display small plants, photos, or trinkets in any room you choose. You can easily assemble this beautiful furniture piece in under 10 minutes using the included tools. Transform your messy workspace into an organized and artistic display with this elegant wooden storage solution. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.